Pakistan's Deputy Chief Minister Ishaq Dar has said the country was compelled to request a ceasefire with India last month after the latter struck two of its air bases in Rawalpindi of Punjab province as a part of Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor was in fact a response to the 22nd April Pahalgam terror attack which killed 26 Indians. Appearing on a TV show in the country, Dar said, India attacked the Noor Khan Air Base in Rawalpindi and Shorkot Air Base in Punjab province. Following this, Pakistan reached out to the United States for intervention and took assistance from Saudi Arabia. The Noor Khan Air Base is one of Pakistan's most sensitive military compounds, housing both Air Force operations and VIP transport units. Dar recounted that at around 2:30 a.m., India launched missile strikes on the Noor Khan and Shorkot bases. Within 45 minutes, Saudi Prince Faisal called him, he says, saying he had just spoken to US Secretary of State Marco Rubio and asked if he was authorized to contact India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Dar agreed and Faisal conveyed Pakistan's readiness for talks if India agreed to stop. On the night of May 7th and 8th, India's Operation Sindoor destroyed infrastructure in 9 terror bases in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir in response to the April 22nd Pahalgam attack. The operation escalated tensions, leading to strikes and counter-strikes. US officials were reportedly already in touch with both sides in anticipation of conflict. While maintaining a neutral public stance, the US confirmed a firm message to Islamabad, urging the use of military hotline for de-escalation. By the afternoon of May 10th, after several Pakistani tactical moves were repelled, Pakistan's Director General of Military Operations, Major General Kashif Abdullah, placed a direct call to his Indian counterpart, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai. The call at 3:35 p.m. AST was later confirmed by Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri. Both sides agreed to stop all military action on land, air and sea with effect from 5 p.m. that day. Pakistan, however, repeatedly violated the agreement within hours. And more importantly, all these revelations are in contrast to Donald Trump's claims that he single-handedly mediated a peace deal between India and Pakistan, as India has been claiming the two countries directly talk to each other without US intervention.